Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today here in this video I will show you guys how to fix quickly latency problem in your Windows 10 computer. You just need to follow me. So first of all we need to go to start menu and click on setting. Now click on privacy option and from the left side select general and then turn off. Same as go to space, then turn off this one also. And again turn off this option. No need to turn off these two options, otherwise it will disable your microphone and voice notification. And same as turn off account info, contact, calendar, phone calls, emails, tasks, messaging, and then file system. After that you have to restart your computer and it will fix your problem. Hope so this small video help you lot. And finally don't forget to subscribe to my channel.